Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video we are going to talk about conditional statements if, elif, and else in Python. Conditional statements allows us to control the flow of our program based on certain conditions. We will learn how to use if, elif, and else statements. In this segment we will dive into the concept of conditional statements, which allows our program to make choices and take different actions based on specific conditions. Now let's explore a practical example to see conditional statements in action. Age equal to 20, then if, and we write age more than or equal to 18, and then print you are an adult. As you can see, because our if condition is true, Python printed the if message, so we got the result of you are an adult. Now let's try to put else condition. So else, and then we write our message, print you are not an adult. Let's change the age, make it 10. Now let's try to run our code. As you can see, we got the result you are not an adult because we assigned the variable age to the value of 10. Well, firstly, Python check the if condition. If age more than or equal to 18, and here it's false. So Python didn't print you are an adult message. And then Python checks else condition. So because our if condition is false, Python automatically will print the else message, which is you are not an adult. But what if I want to make another if condition? For example, if we want to say if you are 18 or more years old, then you are an adult. If you are 13 old or more, then you are a teenager, else you are a child. So let's try age equal to 14, here you are an adult, and here we put elif, age more than 13, print or teenager, else or a child. As you can see, we got a message of you are a teenager. Here we set the value of age to 14. Python starts with the if condition, if age more than or equal to 18, and here this if statement is false because age equal to 14. So Python go for the other if condition, which is called elif in Python. So elif, age is more than or equal to 13, which is true in our case because age is equal to 14 and 14 is more than 13. So Python printed the message of elif, which is you are a teenager. But what if we set the age value to 12? As you can see, we got the message of you are a child because we set the value of age equal to 12. So the condition of age is false because age is not more than or equal to 18. And the condition of elif also is false. So Python automatically will print the message of else. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.